Welcome to the presentation where I would show you how to create a Scrum record in the Agile solution configured in Kovair application. Now, let me log in as a project manager who is also the Scrum Master, and he logs into this application, and let's create a Scrum record in the application. So let me log in as the project manager. And as he logs in, you can find that he has landed up into a dashboard consisting of various links that he can directly navigate to add an epic or add a feature, add a user story, etc. So here is the entity that keeps track of the Scrum meetings created by the Scrum Master. So under this entity, we'll go ahead and create a new Scrum. So let's say the Scrum meeting is being the meeting is done with respect to on 21st of Jan. The certain conversations were being done, and with respect to future work, the Scrum Master is creating a Scrum record for his remarks as well as for other developers or testers to put in their comments with respect to what they are currently doing, what are the backlogs that they have implemented, what are the what are the what are the backlogs that they have implemented in the last few days, or what are the backlogs they would be implementing in the coming days. So all those information can be shared by the different stakeholders. So let's go ahead and create the Scrum record. Let's say Scrum meeting for 21st Jan 2011. The meeting date is on 21st. The last meeting date may be 2 days earlier, that's 19th. The next meeting date may be again on Monday. So with respect to this, the Scrum Master is selected his own name from the Scrum Master drop-down list, and also specify who are the team members who also needs to be a part of the Scrum. So he selects UAC developer, the owner, and also the project manager. He also enters some remarks for the Scrum record. With all the information being entered, he save the Scrum record. Now, once the Scrum is being saved, now let me log out as the project manager and log in as a developer. Now, the advantage of using Kovair as the Agile solution is being a web-based application. Uh, you do not have to sit in a room to do a Scrum meeting. Your developers could be in any location. Your product owner could be operating from a different location apart from the Scrum Master, and everybody can participate into the Scrum and provide their feedback with respect to the previous and the future work just by logging into the application and putting their comments and information in the Scrum. So in a distributed agile kind of an environment, it is very advantageous to record the information about a Scrum in this fashion. So let's say the developer who is working on certain backlogs, who has worked on certain backlogs on the previous days, as well as what are the impediments that he has faced, he can come in and in the Scrum, he can provide his information with respect to the previous and the future work. So the basic information are available to him, and also as you can see in the view mode, more sections are exposed rather when the Scrum was being created in the add mode. So here here is the relation section where you can link uh, the backlogs or the user stories that has been implemented in the past few days. So clicking on relate existing would take us to the set of user stories from which the developer can select the relevant user stories, the specific user stories that he has implemented in the last few days. So from here, it selects the three user story that he has implemented, and also in the next relation section, he can relate those user stories that he intend to implement in the coming 2 days. So again, clicking on the relate existing take us to the existing user story section. Let's go to the last record, and here is the one which we just created a little bit earlier. And once the backlogs which has been implemented or would be implemented are being entered, you can also go ahead and enter the problems that you have faced in the last few days while working on these work items. Uh, this is a grid kind of a structure wherein all the developers who are currently working on different user stories can come in and provide their feedback. So here, let's say the USCIS developer says that need to upgrade to a higher version machine. The resolving comments, sorry, that would be the resolving comments. Um, let's say uh, the latest uh, my machine is too slow and can provide the resolving comments as need to upgrade to a higher version machine. So once entered, you can save this so that it can be discussed in uh, the next level. So in this way, you can provide all your feedbacks under the sprint backlog impediments that what are your opinion about uh, the current working scenario or any other stuff. So in this way, you can create and track the different Scrum meetings that are being occurring on a daily basis. Thank you.